This is an urgent appeal for help for the people of South Essex. We need the people of the, I don't know what, the state of Minnesota to come and help us in our hour of peril. Look, we've got snow. Oh dear. It's snowing as I speak. Right, I'm actually just going up to the shops to see if they've got a tin of beeswax furniture polish. Oh my goodness, how am I going to get the car out of all of that snow? Oh. Well, with the aid of a team of huskies, I managed to get to the shops, and now I'm going to fight the blizzard and get home and get into the warm and get some wax rubbed into some furniture. It's actually quite pretty with a little dusting of snow on, isn't it? Well, we'll use the sacrificed shirt and some bry wax, and we'll get some progress with this. One of the joys of working on old things and taking them apart is that you get to see how the original chap made it. Now, there's quite a nice groove or rebate, or some people might say rabbit, I suppose. And we can see that the cabinet maker, the furniture maker, what he did, he drilled, and I suspect he used a carpenter's brace. He's drilled and then he's cleaned the groove out with a chisel. Done quite a nice job on that. When we turn this over, what we see is he's embellished it just with these sort of crosses. That just makes it a little bit nicer, doesn't it? Yeah, so that will keep me occupied for some of the morning, and we'll get some improvements made to this.